Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ.
I'm a fool for your love.
Today we're going to be going to see my dad and my sister, and I actually found my Toy Story shirt. So yeah, that's quite interesting, because I haven't seen this shirt in a very long time. So yeah, I think my dad's outside, because I saw a car driving up. So yeah, maybe he's already here, so we'll see you back when we get in the car. See you then. So here now, and there was Dad. There he is. Where are you? Oh. Hey, there he is. And then George is down here. I'm going to show another video of George. Hey! Mr. Johnny! Hey. He's a cute one, isn't he?
He's going to be sick.
Oh,
nice.
Oh, Mr. George, you're already being sick.
Be sick already?
Oh. We're now, and there's Gemma and Dana. There they are. So yeah, we're going to pop into Gemma's house now. I've got George on the lead. There's George. Where's George? There he is. Georgie. So yeah, we're going to pop. There he is, jumping on Gemma. So yeah, we're going to pop into Gemma's house, and we'll see you back in a bit. So we're at Gemma's now, and Gemma's sorting out coffees because she forgot to sort some biscuits. So yeah, we're going to munch the biscuits and have our drinks, and we'll see you back in a bit. Georgie, you want to come? Georgie, you want to come? You want to come up here? You want to come up here? Oh, I see who you like most.
You eat them, I'm eating me.
What, these things?
Them chews,
Ah.
What are you not?
Alright.
I'm eating it now.
Yeah, he is.
On the table.
Yeah.
And I'll be keeping all my letters that I wrote to you.
Alexa, sound like a dog. What is it? Oh, there goes the dog. George, I've got this.
George.
What have I got, George?
George. My arm.
Hey, hey, George loves me now. Wait, give me all these lovings for coming to me. Wait.
George.
Not happening.
George.
I'm trying to steal him. What the hell's that hand doing? Johnny, that's me. Oh, George. Why is that such a fascination for this one and nothing else?
My bit noise.
I don't think so. Oh, George, Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, calm down.
What that was it?
Go on then, go and get it. So we're done in Gemma's now, and we're going to be going to Burger King, so not McDonald's, which is a bit different. So yeah, it's going to be really interesting, and we'll see you when we get in the car. See you then. So we're here now at Burger King, so yeah, we're going to go and get our meals, and we'll see you when we get inside. Yeah, see you then. So we've had our food now, and yeah, so Dad's gone and took George for a walk, so we're going to continue to wait for him to come back, and then see you in a bit. There he goes. You don't even want to pay attention. Gemma!
Oh.
Gemma!
Pay attention what?
Kinda. We're in the car now and we're about to drop Gemma off home. So yeah, we'll see you when we get to Gemma's house. Oh, there's Gemma peeking in the corner. So yeah, we'll see you when we get to Gemma's. We just stopped off at Tesco's to pick some rhubarb and custard biscuits because we had some at Gemma's and they were really good, so we're going to go pick some up for ourselves. So yeah, we'll see you when we get inside. You don't think they're that good?
I didn't know.
Oh, so we're done in Tesco's now, and I actually have a Boost bar, as you can see there, which is for an upcoming video, which is quite surprising. So yeah, we'll see you when we actually get in the car. See you then.
Yeah, miss, well, I'm sorry I was careless. Change this, well, I thought that we were strangers. Good.